Hi, boys and girls. This is the math instruction for online study students for Thursday, January 14th. I'm really glad that you are here today. We're doing so many fun things in math right now. Right now we are learning about, our target is I can use picture graphs to show data. Remember that data is information that we have collected about a certain subject. So let's look at this picture graph that I have done on the board now. This picture graph is going vertically, up and down. So we are going to be going up and down with this. We always have a title with a graph, favorite drink. So let's pretend that we ask the kids in class, what is your favorite drink? We have water, milk, or juice. And our key, remember picture graphs always have a key. Our key is a circle equals 1 vote. So remember Miss Ward's secret hint, secret trick that I always do. Let's write our information down along the bottom here. How many kids chose water? 1, 2, 3. So let's record water down here. How many kids chose milk? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 kids chose milk. How many chose juice? 1, 2. Now we can ask questions like, which drink had the most votes? Which drink had the fewest or least votes? How many more kids chose milk than water? And I can look by just comparing like this. I can say, oh gosh, I see 1 more. Or I could say 4, take away 3 would be 1, okay? How many kids chose juice and water? Well, if I did that, I could write a problem, couldn't I? Blank, circle, blank equals blank. How many kids chose juice and water? Juice, I have 2. Water, I have 3. Am I bringing them together? Juice and water, yes. So let's put an addition problem in there. 2 plus 3 equals, what is the total there? 5. You're right. Very good. Okay, so I could do all sorts of really fun things with data and graphing. I love it so much. So let's go ahead and we have 2 things to do today. This is a fun paper that I have for you. It's called Party Time, okay? And you're going to count how many papers here. Now this isn't necessarily a picture graph. We're going to turn it into a picture graph. We're going to use the same key on this. 1 circle stands for 1 item. So what you're going to do is you're going to come over here and you're going to count the pictures. We have party time here, things for the party, and each one of these going on this vertical graph, it's going to go up this way. So we're going to count how many party hats. Something that I find is really helpful for me when I do this is I just X them out as I count them. 1, 2, 3. I see, 1, 2, 3, 4. I X them out, so I'm going to put a circle. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Do that for the noisemakers, the balloons, the cupcakes, and the invitations. And then read each of these. Which item was there most of at the party? How many party hats were there? How many cupcakes were there? And how many items were at the party altogether? Ooh, that means I get to add all of them all together. I love this. This is so great. Super great. The other thing is, the other paper that we have is this one, and this is representing data. It's kind of showing, using picture graphs. So you've got a graph here. This is a horizontal graph. The title is Shapes Ray Has, Square, Circle, and Triangle. Okay? It tells you up here how many he each has. We're going to put a circle in here for each thing that he has. So it says Ray has 3 circles. Well, you can put a circle for the circle, 3 circles. And 4 triangles, which you put 4 triangles here to show those, and 5 squares, 5 squares. So circles on the circles, squares on the squares, triangles on the triangles. And then would you do Miss Ward's secret hint and record them out to the side? And then answer each of these questions. If you need your parent to help you understand what's being asked, you can ask them. But I've put this out here, how many circles, how many triangles, and then you can add those together. Okay? All right. Back side. Here's another picture graph. I love this. Look at this. Animals at the animal park. We have zebras, giraffes, and hippos. They've done these for you. I wonder what your first thing is that you're going to do. What's Miss Ward's secret hint about graphing? Would you count them and write out to the side? That's my secret hint. How many zebras are there? How many more giraffes are there than hippopotamus? You can just look and see, can't you? And then you're going to add or subtract depending on what's happening here. Remember when you have a vertical problem like this, the answer goes underneath the line right in here. Okay, this line is like our equal sign. So make sure you pay attention to whether you're adding or subtracting. Do the very best you can. I love it. I love when we get into fun things for math. It makes it so great. Okay. Today for social studies, you're going to get out your orange booklet. And in your orange booklet, I would like you to write three things. Just write down 3 things that are different now than they were long ago. Different for you now than they were long ago. Think about that. We've been talking about it all week. You've watched several videos. But 3 sentences, find a new page, 3 sentences about things that are different than they were long ago. Okay? That's all you need to do today. I'm really proud of you. I think you are super fabulous. I hope you have a great day. And I will see you tomorrow.